Good afternoon, everyone. In yesterday's lecture, we have finished the simple mixture and syrup. Today, we will start with elixirs. Elixirs are clear, sweetened, aromatic, hydroalcoholic liquid intended for oral use. The main ingredient of elixir are ethyl alcohol, water, glycerin or propylene glycol, flavoring agent, coloring agent, and some suitable preservatives. The medicated elixir usually contain potent drugs such as antibiotic, antihistamines, or sedatives. Flavored elixir are non-medicated and are used as flavor and vehicles. Sorry. Now let us see the formulation of elixir. Elixir formulation means which ingredient we use while preparation of the elixirs. The ingredients are vehicles, adjuvants. In adjuvants we use chemical stabilizers, coloring agent, flavoring agent, and preservatives. During the lecture, we have seen in detailed description about these all formulating agents. Then the next one is storage of elixir. Elixir are supplied in well-filled, well-closed, airtight glass bottles having screw cap. Elixir are required to be stored in cool place and protected from light. The next one is linctus. Linctus are viscous liquid and oral preparation that are generally prescribed for relief of cough. They contain medicaments which have demulcent, sedative or expectorant action. Demulcent means linctus should be taken in small doses, sipped and swallowed slowly without diluting it with water in order to have a maximum and prolonged effect of the medicament. Take a note that linctus should not be diluted with water. Formulation of linctus contain vehicle, adjuvant. In adjuvant, chemical stabilizer, coloring agent, flavoring agent, and preservative, same as elixir. Then the storage. Elixir are supplied in well-filled, well-closed, airtight glass bottle having screw cap. These are stored in cool place and protected from the light. Next one is liquid to apply to the skin. It contains liniment. Liniment are liquid or semi-liquid preparation meant for application to skin. The liniment are usually applied to the skin with friction and rubbing. This is the most important line. We apply liniment on the skin with friction or rubbing. In alcoholic liniment, alcohol help in a penetration of medicament into the skin and also increases counter irritant and rubefacient action. In oily liniment, arachis oil is a commonly used which spread more easily on the skin. Alcohol we use to increase the penetration and arachis oil means other oily are used to spread the other ingredients easily. Then the container for liniment should be dispensed in the colored fluted bottle in order to distinguish it from preparation meant for internal use. And as a labeling, it should be mentioned that for external use only and shake the bottle before use. And it should carry the warning such as not to be applied to open wound or broken skin. These are stored in tightly closed airtight container and keep in cool place. Next one is lotion. Lotion we also use to the skin. These are applied to skin without friction. This is the main difference between lotion and liniment. Liniments are applied with friction. Lotions are applied without friction to the skin. So these are the externally applied dosage form. In next lecture, we will see the liquid to be used in the mouth.